What's going on, YouTube? I'm out here with my Bugs 3 Mini, one of my favorite mini quads, man. So I figure it's time I, start doing some winter flights with these things. These guys have been too comfortable, sitting on the shelf in the winter. So yeah, I'm gonna take this thing out. So if you guys haven't seen the video, I put an FPV mod on this thing, a little 25 milliwatt, and I got the antenna sticking out the back, and I have a switch to turn it on and off right there. So check that video out. A little windy, but hey, hope the Bugs 3 Mini can handle it. Let's do it. All right. See that, guys? It is windy. Okay, take a good look at the bugs if I can. Alright. Yeah. It's my Mini. Wow. This thing is pretty good, man. I mean, you can get this thing for, I'm guessing, like 50 American dollars. And you're not gonna get anything like that to brushless motors. Actually, I should have turned that light off. It's actually getting a bit cold. Not as cold as that day when I flew my Spark, though. Man, that was bone chilling. Check out that speed on that Mini, guys. I love this quad, man. Let me fly a little closer to me so you guys can really check it out. Yeah, now I'm starting to feel the cold, guys. We're in a flight with the Bugs 3 Mini. Yeah, in your little comfortable case in my house. Nah, man, you gotta feel the cold too. You gotta feel that cold too, man. Alright. I love this bird, guys. For the price, you can't beat it, man. Can't beat this thing for the price. I forgot to say I changed actually the headlight. So like I said, you guys may want to check that video out, man. Did some work on this little bird. Alright, well, I am getting cold, but the battery's holding up. Alright. That's the Bugs 3 Mini, guys. Okay. Oh, watch the basketball rim. Okay. Wind's getting you. Alright. Coming in for a landing. Alright. Well, that's it, guys. Bugs 3 Mini. See you guys on the next video.